Let's take a look at what is possible with the item charts assignment functionality. First of all, if I'm looking at my outbound container list, I can see in this example I have a container with a lot of posted shipment lines on it relating to different sales shipment. And if I'm entering one of those shipment, for instance, number 40 in here, I can see I have two different sales shipment lines. And if I look at the entries related to those two sales shipment lines, I have an item ledger entries in here. And if I drill further down to those, I can see I have sales cost, cost amount, and also non-inventoriable cost. This means if I'm looking at the value entries for one of those in here, I can see different value entries, for instance, also customs and insurance, which is from a purchase order, meaning it's coming from charts items, and therefore it's non-inventoriable cost amount. This means those two lines were applied directly to the posted sales invoice, and therefore not from the original item ledger entry. For example, I could buy 500 items and put on stock, but I'm only selling 10 on this specific container, and therefore those costs, the container related costs, should be split only into this sales shipment lines, and thereby also affecting the sales invoice. The problem is that being non-inventoriable cost amount, it is not posted to the GL. It's only here, as I can see it, for statistics, and therefore if I'm looking at my statistics on the sales order and the sales shipment, I won't see it. So even though it's actually here with 600 and 465, if I'm looking at the correlated sales, posted sales invoice and also sales shipment, I won't see it in the statistics. But it's there, so it's possible to take out of Business Central somehow in a BI system, a Power BI or whatever, or in other kind of reports. So it's creating value entries related to specific item ledger entries, and you can do that both on the sales shipment side and the sales side and the purchase side. So it's possible to add cost, but also charges if you want to charge the customer.